Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to be solving some exponential sums, problems on exponents. Okay, the very first sum that we are going to be looking at is solving for the value of the following expression: 6 power minus 1 into 7 square, the whole divided by 6 square into 7 power minus 4, the whole of this raised to the power of 7 by 2 multiplied by 6 power minus 2 multiplied by 7 cube, the whole of this divided by 6 cube into 7 power minus 5, the whole of this expression raised to the power of minus 5 by 2. Okay, now this is this gives us two expressions involving exponential powers. Okay, now we'll use one property. The first step that I want to use for solving this is I want to bring the denominator to the numerator. While doing so, the power will change its sign. How I'm saying this is, let's look at over here. Okay, a power minus m is equal to 1 by a power m. We know this property. Similarly, I can say that a power m is also nothing but 1 by a power minus m. Applying this logic, if I want to bring the denominator with the power to the numerator, the base will remain the same, but the power will change its sign. That is, we have to multiply the original sign of the power by minus. Given that, okay, in the first step, the numerator will remain as it is in this expression, 6 power minus 1 into 7 square multiplied by the denominator. When it comes to the numerator, it is going to become, the power is going to turn negative. Okay, 6 square will become 6 power minus 2, and 7 power minus 4, minus of minus 4 will become plus 4. The whole raised to the power of 7 by 2 multiplied by 6 minus 2 into 7 cube. Here also, in this expression also, numerator remains the same, but when I bring the denominator to the numerator, the powers will change their sign. So 6 cube, when I am bringing it to the numerator, will become 6 power minus 3, and 7 power minus 5, when I bring it to the numerator, minus of minus 5 will become plus 5. The whole raised to the power minus 5 by 2. Now there is another property of exponent that we have to apply. When we are multiplying two terms, okay, which are having the same base but are having different powers, okay, like say a power m multiplied by a power n, then what we have to do is we have to keep the base constant and simply add up the powers. That is, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. So applying this logic over here, okay, here the bases are same, 6 and 6, 7 and 7. So what I'll do is I'll simply add up the powers. 6 the whole power minus 1 plus of minus 2 will give me minus 2 multiplied by 7 the whole power 2 plus 4. The whole of this raised to the power of 7 by 2. Same thing for the second expression. 6 the whole power minus 2 plus of minus 3 will give me minus 2 minus 3 multiplied by 7 the whole power 3 plus 5. The whole of this raised to the power of minus 5 by 2. Now this gives me 6 power minus 1 minus 2 gives me 6 power minus 3 multiplied by 7 power 2 plus 4 gives me 7 power 6. The whole of this raised to the power of 7 by 2 multiplied by 6 power minus 2 minus 3 gives me 6 power minus 5 multiplied by 7 power 3 plus 5 is 7 power 8. The whole raised to the power of minus 5 by 2. Now at this part of the expression, we have to use another property. That is, when I already have a base raised to a power and I am raising it to another power, that is a power m the whole raised to the power of n. This would simply mean that I have to multiply the powers a power mn. A power m raised to the power of n will give me a power m into n, which is a power mn. So simply just multiply the powers and keep the base as it is. Now applying this, 6 power minus 3 the whole power 7 by 2. I'll have to keep the base 6 as it is and multiply the powers. Minus 3 into 7 by 2 will give me minus 21 by 2. Same way, 7 power 6 the whole power 7 by 2 will give me 7 power 6 into 7 by 2. 6 will cancel 3 times over 2. 3 into 7 is 21. Now into the second part of this expression, 6 power minus 5 the whole power minus 5 by 2. So just multiply the powers. Minus 5 into minus 5 by 2. Minus of minus will become plus. 5 into 5 is 25 divided by 2 into 7 power 8 into minus 5 by 2. 8 will cancel 4 times over 2. 4 into minus 5 will give me minus 20. Now we are back to this rule. A power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. Here also we are multiplying one another. Okay. 6 and 6, 7 and 7. Bases are same, the powers are different. I just need to add the powers. Keep the base constant, 6 over here. Power is, here it is positive 25 by 2 minus 21 by 2 into 7 power 21 minus 20. Now denominators are same, so I can just add up the numerators. 25 and minus 21, it gives me 4. So 6 power 4 by 2 into 7 power 21 minus 20 is 1. This is nothing but 4 by 2 is 2. 6 square into 7, that is 36 into 7, which gives me 252. The answer is, this is the final answer. I hope this was informative. Thank you.